What's up? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing. So this is a beginner guitar lesson for Layla by Eric Clapton. You know, the acoustic version, but I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty intricate. It's a bit difficult, but if you can get it, it's amazing. And because of that, it just means I gotta cut this intro short. Let's get right to it. I begin here with a D minor with no capo, and you can play the D minor like this. The intro is basically a version of the chorus. So I hit the low note of the D to a C, C major, and then A sharp major. Back to C, and back to D minor. But you can tell at the intro, I played it with bar chords. I use my thumb. It's actually harder in this kind of song to use your thumb. It's probably best to use a bar chord. So D minor, D, C, A sharp major, back to C, back to D minor, and then open A string to the third fret of the A string, which is a C note, and then it does the open A again to that C note, and then it goes into a C sharp minor. And if you can play a seventh like that, it makes it beautiful. Check out the link to the chord charts in the description. This is where it goes. You know, what will you do when you get G sharp seventh? G seventh is basically G major with a seventh. Back to C sharp minor, and then it goes C, D, E, waiting by your side, and you can do an E seventh if you want to. And then F sharp minor. So it goes, you've been B major, E major, A major, F sharp minor, B major, E. And then it does that same A, C. So you hit the low notes of the A chord and just a little bit of the C chord, and then you're back to that D minor. Now let me give you some of the strumming patterns here. That's the easiest way to do it. Don't even hit the high notes, just hit the low notes. Super cool, super cool. It's really tough at the beginning. Got to really stretch those hands and get the muscles going. But once you do, great song, of course. So let me know how you do in the comments on this one in particular, and I'll see you around for some more 3-minute lessons. Later.